This is Mick with Nexus Property Management, New Haven County at 120 Canton Street, second floor in West Haven, Connecticut. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, fully renovated. We'll start here in the kitchen. Brand new cabinets up top. Nice and deep on this corner piece. Matching refurbished cabinets in the bottom. Nice large sink. Step back, see good size for dining room table. Small table there along the baseboard. Okay. Fridge, and you will notice there's not an oven. That's because we're getting a brand new white electric oven to fit right here. That electric matches the baseboard that we mentioned earlier. This is entirely electric, from heat to oven to all of those utilities. All right, following those hardwoods, we come out to the living room. Brand new flooring in here. All this paint is brand new. Baseboard, brand new. Blinds, brand new. Light fixture, brand new. Good size to this room. Closets. Nice and deep. Shelf space on top. There is a light. We're going with the black knobs for the interior doors. A little more style. All right, so bring us to the bedroom. Matching fixtures, floors, paint, again, all brand new. Bathroom extends from the bedroom, straight ahead. Vanity, medicine cabinet, toilet and shower. Exhaust fan, brand new. This unit comes with professional management, which includes 24/7 maintenance, easy online rent pay. There's also shared laundry in the basement. Again, this is 120 Canton Street, second floor apartment in West Haven, Connecticut.